I love shrimp. Oh, hi guys, I'm sorry. I didn't realize you were there. I was just making an ASMR video for my dad because he has sleeping issues and...
Hurry up, son. I'm tired. Tell you and your friends to hurry up with that bloody video.
Shut up, Dad. It's work in progress. Here, I'll show you how to make one. ASMR is a tingling sensation that you feel from your head to the back of your neck when you hear a particular sound or feel some sort of physical movement. Most people have different trigger points, from the sound of rain to physical contact like a scalp massage.
Ah, sir. When your mum cuts my toenails, I get that tingling sensation.
Whatever, Dad. Yeah, sure. That could be it. One of the main reasons why people watch ASMR is to help them relax. Now, people with sleep disorders such as insomnia, anxiety, and depression tend to watch ASMR to help them feel more relaxed. These videos lack cognitive behavioral techniques such as guided relaxation and meditation may accomplish the same thing by distracting the viewer from worrisome thoughts and by providing a comforting and familiar set of sounds. This might offer the feeling of being directly cared for, even though the individual is perhaps one of hundreds of thousands of viewers watching. The first thing you'll need is a microphone. That is the most essential part of an ASMR video. Secondly, you can use props to create certain sounds, such as a pillow with some sort of fabric to brush over the microphone, or some water to recreate the sound of rain. And last but not least, a camera.
Hope you deleted that memory card, Cameron. There's some pretty good action shots on there of me.
Now I hope you're ready to create your own ASMR video. You can be creative and go with whatever visual style you want. Now here's what I've produced. Do you have problems sleeping? Do you get restless at night while you're trying to go to bed? Maybe try do some gardening. That might be relaxing. If gardening's not for you, try watching an ASMR video. You might enjoy the soothing sounds of chips being crunched, or the tingling sensation of toenails being clipped. Even if you're scared to record on film, a microphone can hide your identity. A lot of people just now use microphones to record ASMR audio clips as well.
Yeah, not sure why anyone would want to look at your ugly mug.
Well, Dad, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree, now does it?
What?
Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you feel more at ease and relaxed. Bye.
Thanks, son. Yeah?
You're welcome, Dad.
Right, no be.
Okay, Dad, that was enough.